Introducing the Casio Cloud Solution. A flexible and intuitive point of sale designed for fast-moving business. It has clear and easy-to-operate menus, giving you more time to serve more customers. Eat in, eat out, assignable at any point in the transaction. Real-time stock inquiries. And fast product lookup for cutting down customer waiting time. Add customized instructions to an order and send to the kitchen. An open tab hold function, giving flexible use from counter to table. Capture customer details easily and quickly. Understand who is buying what, how often, and how much. With instant rewards, encourage your customers to return. Email and SMS them with your latest offers. And as your business grows, the Casio Cloud Solution grows with you. Additional users and terminals are easily added. Not everyone has time during opening hours to analyze their business. The Casio Cloud Suite offers remote management of all your business needs. Track sales in real time. Check your inventory after a busy day. Update your menus. And adjust pricing on all your terminals. Everything you expect in a flexible and intuitive solution. Casio, better for business.